Welcome to Portugal Love Media. On today's episode, we're going to make some organic, raw, that's right, raw vanilla avocado pudding. So stay tuned.
Emotions. It can get to the best of us, and even the worst. Have you ever struggled with your emotions? Perhaps digestion, or even both. Whatever the situation is, there is always a solution. Find out the connection between the mind and digestion. Restoration Ministries would like to introduce to you our newest book entitled Healthy Digest 101. You will find testimonials and scientific insights on the connection between the mind and our gut. There's also bonus recipes that you will find that you can try at home, as well as recipes for the mind. Pre-order your copy today.
As you can see here, we have all our ingredients laid before us to make the vanilla carob pudding. Okay, so we have our 2 avocados. Say avocado. Make sure they're nice, not too ripe, and no bruises. And we have our raw carob powder. That's what's going to give that vanilla color. Now the dark brown carob is actually dark brown, the one that's roasted. And we have our unsweetened oat milk with vanilla. If you don't find the one with vanilla, you can always get the regular unsweetened and always buy vanilla extract, alcohol free of course. And we have our Himalayan crystal sea salt, of course. Now I have a grinder. You can grind it into more refiner salt. And we have our teaspoon and tablespoon for that liter measurement. And we have here the measuring cup. Very simple. And now we're going to start to prepare this pudding. My son loves this so much. He asks for seconds all the time. I don't blame him. If he's my critic, so if he likes it, then you'll definitely love it. Alright, so we start by cutting up green and yellow. So we have to make sure it's nice and green and yellow. No bruises. When I think of the Old Testament, and God's people were asked to give a lamb without spot or blemish. That is my thing with fruits and veggies. I always try to make sure I get the best of the best as much as possible. That's bruise free. Alright, so we're getting ready to get this started. I'm going to add our oat milk. We're going to add a cup of that. Pour that in there. Now this is excellent, especially if you have nut allergies. You can opt for the oat milk option or rice milk. brown rice milk, that is. And now we're going to add our raw carob powder. Now the raw, compared to the roasted, it's not brown, it's actually beige. Hence, that's why this is called the vanilla avocado pudding. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of that. Okay, we have 1. We try to level it off as much as possible. You could add a 4th tablespoon if you want. Carob is rich in calcium. All right, get another tablespoon in there. And that's number 3. All right. Now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of honey. You can get the raw honey as well, organic raw honey. When you think in the Bible, John ate locusts and honey, and actually locust is not the bug, it's actually from the locust bean. I'll put more description of that in the description box. There we go. You want to make sure you want to scrape all of that honey into the mixture. Here's our 2nd tablespoon. All right, got every bit there. There you go. And lastly, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt. Try to use your eye judgment there. If you don't have measuring spoons for that, use your judgment. Okay, just give it a little shake there before I blend it. All right, so this thing's ready to blend. All right, it's ready to go. Give that nice creamy, you want to get it till it's a nice texture, creamy, like pudding texture. And as you can see, the carob you see here, the raw carob has a vanilla color instead of the brown. So it's ready to serve. Enjoy and bon appetit. Now this recipe is not from a book entitled Healthy Digest 101. However, you can try some amazing recipes at home, recipes that I put together. You'll find it starting from page 60, for example. Oh, we have here the gluten-free vegan sausage. Okay, you'll find it on page 59. And page 60, this one's a favorite one, the no frowny brownie. And that's right, no frowny brownie. Find out why it's called no frowny brownie when you get your copy. Now, you'll find this on Amazon, or you can also go to the website www.restoration.com. That's RESTOR8TION.com. I will put the link below this video. Feel free to subscribe and share. This has been a blessing. I thank you for your support and prayers. God bless you. Thank you. Bye. Bye for now. Hi, welcome to Portugal. Hi, welcome to Portugal. Hi, welcome to Portugal Love Media. On today's episode, we're going to make some organic, raw, that's right, raw vanilla avocado pudding. So stay tuned. If you're new to our channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of any future videos. Thank you and God bless.